Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Powertac. Now this here is their E3R Nova. Now this is a complete kit. They sent this to me, comes in this box. Also, as you know, they come with lifetime warranties on all their flashlights and gear. So let's wait no further, let's open this up, see what's in it. I've been doing reviews for them for many years. It's been a while since I've done one. Go over the goodies here in this pouch. Their mission is accomplished. Got a barcode that leads to their website. They always include a couple stickers here. Pretty cool. Nice quality on those. Register for your lifetime warranty. Nice. Here's the user manual. Now it looks like there's 3 modes here: strobe, 820, and 60 lumens on those light output levels. Pretty nice. Got a little box of goodies here. Probably a lanyard. Yep. Never easy to get them out of these darn things. 2 extra O-rings here. Those are extra. There's the one already on the light. Here's the USB Type-C charging cable. Nice quality on that. Now let's go ahead and get the light out of here. Take a look at it here. And there it is. Super compact on this. Definitely geared for everyday carry. Small enough here too. Now it does have a key ring on here. It's built in. You could probably squeeze these together and take it off if you don't want it on there. It does stick out if you don't. It does have a 2-way clip on here. That's nice. Be able to put it on a baseball cap. Tail clicky here. Definitely might be a little big for a keychain light, but it depends on you. Now the style and design on this is nice. I like the grooves here on the body to help with gripping it. Now my understanding is that you're going to recharge the light. The port is hidden here. Unscrew that. Now the battery is internal. You cannot take it out, but no worries. It does have a lifetime warranty, and it's no hassle. Trust me. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. Kind of has a flat black finish to it. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. Special optics. Now they don't say what LED they're using behind that. That's what it looks like. Alright, well normally I would open it up, show you the insides, but the battery is sealed in here. So now let's go through the UI. Turning it on, simple turning it on and off. To go through those light levels, you got to go pretty quickly. So it is on the quick side, so you kind of got to do it quickly. Got to time it just right here. So 820 lumens. It's a lot of light output. Let's take a look here at the beam. It's got a large hotspot, as you can see, and the spill just tapers off, but it's probably going to lean more towards the flood side. A large hotspot I can see. Next level down, this will give you the best run times on this battery. Not generating hardly any heat on that highest level. You got to be quick on that button to move it up. See if turn it off has memory mode. Let's check and see. So it always starts off on the lowest setting. So highest level, and I believe if you triple click 1, 2, 3 will get you strobe, and that is a constant rate on the flash, and it is distracting, very distracting. Clicking one time turns it off, so it always comes on the lowest setting. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate this. When charging it, you will have a red light. It will change blue when it is fully charged. You have a little indicator here next to that charging port. Try to find it there. So this feels really rugged. Definitely is a nice size for everyday carry if you want to key ring it. So this is getting away of things, but if you have it on your key ring, it should be fine. I might end up taking this off. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this E3R Nova out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Powertac E3R Nova. Let's go ahead and get started, see how it does. Water spout 38 feet. See the beam here on the fence, a large hotspot. Nice color temp. Just give you an idea on how far it goes at this light output, which is nice, especially for this small of a little light. Water spout 38 feet there. Let's go to the next level here. Nice. 65 feet to that tree there. Look at that. All coming from this little light. Making 138 feet there. Look at that. Yeah. Impressive performance on this thing. Doesn't have a lot of range on it, but for this size it does. Wow. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice beam performance on this. Does have some pretty good range for its size. This little thing, 820 lumens. It's going to cycle down pretty quickly due to heat, but you have it if you need it. And in any case, it will help conserve the battery when it cycles down anyways, but you have the lower level that's going to give you many hours of runtime at that light level, especially for a little everyday carry light. The build quality on here, very nice overall, top notch. I'm not seeing any issues with these Powertacs, all of them that I've ever tested, so I've got to take my hats off to them. They do make a nice quality product. Not only that, but it comes with a lifetime warranty if anything happens to it, and that's usually hassle-free exchange, prepaid level, and you can ship it back to them, and that's pretty nice. It really stands behind their products. But I do have ones that are over 5 years old, and they're still going strong with the battery pack on them. They haven't lost any performance at all, which is pretty amazing. The USB is hidden on here, but charge it on the go. Always easy to do. Top it off. You can wear it on your baseball cap, throw it in your pocket, on your key ring. A lot of things you can do with this little EDC light. Alright, well, I want to thank Powertac for sending me this E3R Nova to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video where you can get this. I'm also working on a special discount code. When I do get that, I will leave that there as well. That'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Powertac to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. It's a prepaid level, a pretty play level. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.